These are gardening and harvesting aprons by Roo Gardening, and I have two different kinds here, the Joey and the Roo. Inside the pouch are some really handy pockets where you can store your phone, seed packets, or some tools. This is the full apron or the Roo, and I like it because it has a lot of coverage, so it's perfect for dirty jobs like weeding. And this is the Joey, which is the same thing, but it just doesn't have as much material. It's faster to put on, so it's great for quick garden harvests. There is a third model called the Rooster, which is a full apron, but it has slots for eggs. So if you have chickens, you can gather eggs with the apron. But for the pouch part, it's the same on all models, and you just unlatch the strings here, and then your harvests or even your weeds can be released wherever you want them to go. These aprons are kind of like wearable buckets, and they really do make garden tasks and harvesting much easier.